Section 1.6 is all about special quadrilaterals. So open up your table of contents, get this section 1.6 in there, and then let's open up to a fresh page. If you have the geometry stencil, it might be a handy thing to have close by. Otherwise, you'll want a ruler and a protractor to get some nice accurate drawings. So a reminder, a quality definition in geometry looks like a thing is classify, in other words, what kind of thing is it, that somehow differentiate it. How is it different from other things? The first type of quadrilateral we'll define is a trapezoid. So a trapezoid is a special type of quadrilateral. And here are a bunch of trapezoids and non-trapezoids. Maybe pause the video and try and decide what you think the definition ought to be. Did you pause it? So you should have said something like parallel sides. The fact that we have one and only one pair of parallel sides determines a trapezoid. Then draw yourself a little sketch for a trapezoid. We've got our two parallel sides. Only one pair of parallel sides. Next, a geometric kite. You'll notice we have several kites here. Come up with a good definition. So we have these two distinct pairs of congruent sides. And I think it's probably worth also mentioning that those two sides have to be consecutive, that they share a vertex. There isn't a kite on your geometry stencil, so I took this isosceles triangle and then kind of connected the top with a pentagon. But regardless, you should draw yourself a nice kite and then move on to a parallelogram. So a parallelogram is a special type of quadrilateral that does what? The word parallelogram ought to be a clue for you. It has two pairs of parallel sides. Now, a rhombus is a special type of parallelogram. It's a special type of parallelogram that is also equilateral. Remember, equilateral means the laterals are equal, lateral being sides. So all sides are equal. Another special parallelogram is a rectangle. A parallelogram is a special parallelogram that is also equiangular, meaning all angles are the same. So then how do we define a square? A square is an equilateral rectangle. We could also say it's an equiangular rhombus. Or to bring the definitions all together, we can say it is a regular quadrilateral. Regular is a geometry term. It means equilateral and equiangular. All the sides are the same and all the angles are the same.